I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the physical and software basics. Plug the RTL SDR into USB and attach an antenna. Once done, run Zadig or your OS driver installer to bind the USB device. Open your chosen SDR program, select the RTL SDR device, and set a conservative sample rate like 2.4 ms/s and a 2 MHz bandwidth. Make sure gain is not pegged. Drop to manual or moderate AGC so you don't overload the front end. You now tune and shape signals. Click a strong peak on the waterfall and set the center frequency. Then pick the demodulation mode that matches the signal type: FM for broadcast, USB/LSB for ham, or a digital mode plug-in for telemetry. Adjust bandwidth and apply a notch or bandpass filter to reduce adjacent noise. Correct your PPM offset for accurate frequency display, and use AGC or manual gain to balance sensitivity versus overload so you finish by capturing and validating results. Record IQ streams or raw audio so you can replay and run decoders like DSD or FLDigi later. Once done, save presets for frequently used frequencies. If decoding fails, make sure your virtual audio cable routing is correct and your sample rate matches the decoder's expectations. Troubleshoot by swapping USB ports, reinstalling drivers, grounding or repositioning the antenna, or lowering sample rate. These fixes resolve most noise and device recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.